when I'm doing bubble sort, okay, basically you have two variables I, you set it equal to 0. Okay, I is going to loop through the entire array. Then you have j. Okay, j is going to be the first element, and then you're going to have j plus 1, which is second element, like that. Okay, makes sense? Now, the way in bubble sort works is that you're going to have this first element compared with the second element, okay, and then you're going to swap them based on their order. So I compare 100 to 4, I see that 100 is greater, so 100 should actually have been on this side. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. I'm going to swap it and put 100 here. So now 100 is over here and 4 is over there. Alright, perfect. Now the next thing that's going to happen is that I'm going to take j plus 1 to the next side, and I'm going to make j here. Okay, so let me just make everything a bit neater. Alright, so it's just swapping stuff around. Okay, now this is 100, this is 4. Now it's going to compare these two. Okay, it's going to compare the second j and j plus 1. And it's going to see that this is actually 100 is supposed to be bigger, so it's going to do that. 44 and 100 should be here. Now just to make it quick, I'm going to just cross it out. I'm not going to erase it. Okay, then it's going to compare. J is going to come here. J plus 1 is going to come there. Okay, no longer there. So j and j plus 1 is going to be compared again, and then it's going to see that 100 is greater, so 5 should have been here and 100 should be there. Cross that out, and then cross this out, cross that out. So j is going to be now here and j plus 1 is going to be there. Alright, now it's going to compare 100 and 1. Okay, and it's going to see that 1 is smaller, so 1 should have been here, 100 should be here. Cross that out. Okay, so that's what it is. Now once that's done, I is no longer going to be 0, I is going to be 1. And once I is 1, then j is going to come back to j at the first element and j plus 1. Okay, and this cycle is going to keep happening. Alright, it's going to keep happening till we have everything sorted. Okay, so you can see that now the state of our array is that we have 44, we have 4 here, okay, then we have 44 there, then we have 5 here, and we have 100 there. Actually no, 100 here. Alright, and we have a 1 here. So now we're going to keep implementing bubble sort. So this is at the proper position, but then we're going to compare 44 and that. So 44 is going to go next and 5 is going to come back. So let me just do that quick. And if you just keep implementing the same algorithm, you're going to see that our array gets sorted out. Alright, now you do it same with 44. You can see that this 44 is going to come here, 1 is going to come here. Okay, and then this is 44 now is at the correct position. Should have been like that. Okay, so now 44 is in fact at the correct position. So this is the correct position for 44. This is the correct position for 100. It's just these left, but it's still going to keep comparing even for 44 and actually for 100. So yeah, that's pretty much bubble sort. Thanks for watching.